Have you ever seen a spreadsheet with white space or new lines in the cell and wondered how exactly it is that people do that? If so, this video is for you. So what I'm about to show you works on both Windows and Mac devices on Excel and Google Sheets. And the keystroke combinations are the same across the Mac between Excel and Google and across Windows between Excel and Google. So in this case, I happen to be on my Mac using Microsoft Excel, but again, it would be the same if I was on my Mac using Sheets. So here I am, I'm looking at a couple of pets. I've got a dog named Spot, I have a cat named Fluffy, and I have a rabbit named Bouncy. Now, I happen to be a dog lover, and I'm particularly fond of Spot. He is super, super cute. So I'm going to say exactly that here. Super cute, cute. And then to make sure I get my white space in here, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hit Option, Return. And on the Mac, that is what adds in the new line or the blank space in here. And I'm going to say, I want, exclamation part, hitting Return again. So again, on Mac, that was Option Return. If you happen to be on a Windows device, you would use Alt Enter for the exact same effect. And that's it. It really is that simple. I have the keystroke combinations over there for you on the side. You can stop the video now and take a quick screen grab. And if you found this trick to be helpful for you, I would really appreciate it if you give this video a like or leave a comment. Thank you so much.